Hello everybody and welcome to Black Wizard. This is an exact replica. Now if you're saying, oh this is not exact, this is not even close, well, you're actually wrong. Except for this part, I couldn't tell the distance, I couldn't tell where these were, and I couldn't know where the blue thing was right there, but everything else is exactly perfect. Literally pixel perfect. So yeah, that part's right. But then you might be thinking about the UFO. Well, first of all, I'm going to show you how easy this is. Now, it's not easy, but it's not hard. It's actually way easier than you think, especially with enough practice. It's literally actually very, you actually learn it pretty easily. Now, just ignore that too. Now, there's a few tricky parts in this, but in this part, literally this part is super easy. Except maybe this part if you mess up the timing, that part if you're unlucky, if you're doing the strategy I do. But if you're not doing the strategy, I do not know. Then right here is just simple, right? Then right here, well, I can explain this part for you. And then yeah. And then you just have to time that, right? So once you go in here, like I tested this whole thing too. It's not that hard. It's just you do it all in one run. It's a little bit tricky, but the main thing is this part right here. I do not know how it's possible, but that's the main part that I can't do. But everything else in this part is easy. Like this whole part is easy except that, and this if you're unlucky. And if you time 3 spikes wrong or something. But it's not that bad, in all honesty. I'm like, in all honesty, it's not as bad as it looks. It's actually easier than it looks. Like, way easier. But that doesn't mean I'm talking about the whole level. Now, that's a different thing. And you might be saying, oh, no, it isn't for all those bad players or something like that, I don't know. But here's the thing. I'm seeing it's not that bad. Okay. Never mind. This part might. Oh. But here's the thing. My hardest demon is sidestep. The one of the demon got there. No. That's the sad thing. That's my hardest demon. And I'm looking at Acropolis, and this level is not that bad. Like I'm actually a very bad player, and it's not that bad. The one part though is that UFO. You might be saying but the UFO is way too overrated. It's still extremely hard, but it's overrated. It's not as hard as it looks. It looks hard. It looks like Olivine Hand. It looks pretty much impossible. But it's not. It's really not. Now, I might have to speak for myself, but have you ever played Black Wizard? No, I haven't. But from me doing an exact replica of the gameplay, there might be a few invisible objects in this part that might make it harder. Because I only found one invisible object, and I didn't even put it in the level. The one invisible object is So yeah. So you're supposed to click that right away. That's why there's a spike there. But that's the only invisible object I could find. Now the first mini cube, I don't know if that's overrated or not. But all I know is that it probably is. It's actually pretty hard. Unless you're a tiny god, that part's not that bad. Now, if you're decent, okay at timing like I am, or have similar gameplay like this when it comes to timing, then you could probably do this. And I think I found out the way to do that part, so I might actually be able to say that's easy if you actually know how to do it. So let's just show. I'm adding it. Okay. All I know is that you have to time that late. Yeah, you have to do something like that. I have no idea how this part is possible. Yeah, it's just this part. If this like that orb, if it was that's like the reason this part is hard. So just delete that. If that orb is gone, this part should actually be pretty easy actually. It's actually pretty overrated. But I might. But hey, I don't have the real note, but I can't see a thing, can I? But for how exact it is, it's actually not that over. It's pretty accurate. In all honesty, it's probably pretty accurate. I'd say. Now I'm not going to judge. Crazy tried it, then that's how we're going to find out. But from what I can tell, it's pretty accurate. Hey, that's only from what I can tell. Yeah, I don't know if that's all possible, but if that's not there, then that's like pretty easy, pretty overrated. And this part is not as bad as you think. It's just pretty much spam. Like it's not that bad. Like look, now it's also nerfed. If not, it would be pixel perfect. If you don't know why, this saw blade going through here and to there, that is not, and I mean not possible. Even though I did it once, and that took like 30 attempts, like 60 attempts to do, and it's pixel perfect. And also, you could tell that was nerfed in the level if you actually if you actually pay attention and try measure it up or something like that. I don't know. If you actually if you take a good look at it, you can probably tell. Right here. Like right there, you just have to spot. You just no. So look, you just do this. Wait. Oh, you can actually do that. Okay, well that's probably it's probably fixed in the normal Black Blizzard, but because you are supposed to touch the orbs in Black Blizzard, so they might crazy probably found a solution to it. But okay, so there's probably some invisible object there. Okay, well